Laughter is truly the best medicine. It's like a little burst of joy that can turn a dull moment into something magical. Did you know that laughing can boost your immune system? It releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that make stress melt away. Picture this. You're at a comedy show, and the comedian cracks a joke that hits just right. Suddenly, you're doubled over, tears streaming down your face. That's not just fun. It's a workout for your abs. And here's a fun fact. Children laugh around 300 times a day, while adults only manage about 15. What happened to us? Life gets serious, but we need to reclaim that joy. So, find something that makes you laugh, be it a funny movie, a silly meme, or a good friend's joke. Embrace it. Laugh your heart out, because every chuckle brings a little more light into the world. Waiting for your comments. Best regards, Wael Osman.